Hello YouTube. Uh, I have a Honda CRV 2012. Um, yeah, believe it low on freon. Um, I turn on the AC. I don't get enough cold, so I think it's time to add a freon. I want to show you guys to do it step by step. So here you go. Let's get started. This is a Honda CRV 2012, and when you start to add a freon, you open the hood and then you look up here. It will tell you, let me see if you can see, so there you go. It will tell you the factory charge, what kind of freon. So in this case, Honda 2012 CRV recommend maximum charge is it's 15.4 ounce. It's less than a pound. That's a maximum, and the minimum is 13.6 ounce. So right here. So since I don't get enough cold air, I know it's low on freon, but you don't want to add too much. You don't want to be overcharged. If you overcharge, it will damage the compressor. So that's why you have to look at it when you charge, to make sure you charge less than the maximum recommend. That way you don't overcharge. So we don't really know how much is in the compressor right now. I don't know how much, but that's why you look at it. Don't overcharge. So it's very important. So now let's get started. So look down here. There's two lines. So this one already take the cap off. So this is the suction line, and they call a low side, and this one the higher side. So you need to put the gauge, either one low the blue and then the highest red, but in this case I don't have to use the high side. I'll probably just use the lower side for charging. So here's my manifold gauge, and since I use 134A, so this is 134A, and I have a manifold gauge. This manifold gauge is not for a car. This is because I have a license for HVAC for residential, so I don't have to buy another gauge just for charging the car. This is a different one, so it's not going to be fit, but I just bought the adapter. See, yellow from the yellow jacket. So as you can see here, so you just buy one of these, and then it works with this manifold gauge. So that way I don't have to spend money to buy another a manifold gauge for the car. So I'll put my freon jerk on the scale, and I'm going to zero it out. As you can see, that way I know how many ounces I put it in. I don't want to be overcharged. And so like you say, my manifold gauge, I don't have to buy one, so I just buy the adapter that fit for the car. Now I just hook it up. This is my manifold gauge for residential. So, and then you come over here. Here is right there. So you put it in, you push that click. You hear the click. You don't have to. That's it. And then I already zeroed out the scale, and here's my manifold gauge. I need to bleed it out, bleed the air out, but I haven't turned it on so my gate is everything close. I don't turn it on yet. Let me start to open my I don't add yet, it's still 0. Okay. So I'm gonna bleed the air out. Okay. And then I bleed the blue. So I get all the air out, and I'm not ready to charge it. I'm gonna show you something else. Then we go inside the car. Then you need to turn on the cold air. You need to turn on your AC max. I turn on everything up. Okay. And then I'm going to use a temperature probe here to check in the cold air coming out here. So outside it's not too hot today, around 78 degrees. Put the probe in. That way I know how much cold air coming out from the car. Keep dropping down, the temperature keep dropping down to 66 degrees right now. Yeah, that's it. So now the when I turn on AC to a maximum cold, I get only 66 degrees, as you can see. I don't get lower than that. So if that's not cold enough for AC, here, right here. So you can see, yeah, 66 now, jump up to 69. So, and then I turn on the other car, AC. I have a Nissan Frontier. The AC is working. So I just try to compare from the one that's not working and the one working. So this one, so let's put it in. So this is my truck, Frontier 2009, but the AC work pretty good. See, as you can see here, it dropped down to 48, 49 degree when I turn it on max AC. So, and then I'm gonna charge on my CRV. That's what I try to get. So every time when you add 1 ounce or 2 ounce to the compressor, your temperature in the car will drop down. So I try to get it drop down to around 50 or 49. That way you don't overcharge. That's how you look at it. Okay, now I'm trying to charge it now. Let's go do it. Sorry guys. So I need to tear it to 0. Okay. There you go. So I'm going to turn it on. Stop. And then I look at my scale over here. See, I get I get in 3, almost 4 ounce in now. So I need to add a little bit more, and then we go inside. Check for the temperature, see if it dropped down. Close. Add a little bit more. Close. Okay. I'll go check inside. So I get, well, it was like 7 ounce. Yeah, 7, but 9 ounce. So let's go check the temperature inside. Because remember it was 66. It was 66 degrees earlier, so now see if I can get much cooler. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it already. It's cold coming out. Yeah. Holy smoke. I got a lot of cool air coming out. See, it was before it was 66 degree. That's what I want, 50 or 49. So now I got 50, 49. Exactly, that's what I want. So that's it. You don't charge no more. If you start to charging, you will overcharge and then will damage your compressor. But you overcharge, because I had a friend of mine, he did not know what he's doing. He bought the one from the AutoZone, the can one. I guess he did not look the factory charge, so he just charges. But after he done, he turned on the car, and then the compressor not start working. So he ended up to replace the new compressor. That's what is very important. So now that's it. So even a little bit colder. So this is very cold. This is cold air coming out. So that's it. So I did not do overcharge. See that? So that's it, guys. I'm gonna disconnect. It's all done. So it kind of a little long. So that's it. That's how we do it. See, I dropped to 46, 45. That's good. So okay. Now, when you charge it upside down. Put the jerk upside down. That's how you charge. So I got 9 ounce. I got 9 ounce in. The factory charge is it's 15 ounce. So that's 15.4 ounce. That's the factory charge. I guess I leak somehow. It's leaking somehow. I don't know, but that's all I need. Okay, that's it, guys. All I got to do is take it off. It's all done. All right, thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.